In this video, we will delve into Musk's electrifying ideas and explore his impact on various industries. Tesla Motors, revolutionizing the electric car industry. When the name Tesla is whispered, visions of Elon Musk ignite like lightning in the collective imagination. This publicly traded electric motor powerhouse has sparked a revolution in the automotive industry. In just 2.5 years, Tesla's value has skyrocketed by a mind-boggling 700%. With revenue of $24.32 billion in 2022, it is evident that Tesla's performance is nothing short of a powerhouse. One of the standout models from Tesla is undoubtedly the sleek and inspiring Model 3. With its striking design, impressive performance, and cutting-edge technology, the Model 3 has captivated the imagination of crowds worldwide. Its electric range of 200 miles, combined with a relatively affordable price tag of around $35,000, has made electric vehicles more accessible and desirable to a broader audience. However, Tesla faces an exhilarating challenge in keeping up with the thunderous demand for the Model 3. The overwhelming popularity of this electric sedan has created a surge in orders, leading to a substantial backlog and increased pressure on the manufacturing process. Tesla's commitment to delivering high-quality vehicles on time has put their manufacturing capabilities to the test. To meet the lightning-fast pace of manufacturing required to satisfy the growing demand for the Model 3, Tesla has undertaken ambitious efforts to optimize their production processes. They have implemented advanced automation systems, streamlined assembly lines, and invested in expanding their manufacturing facilities. These measures aim to increase efficiency, reduce bottlenecks, and accelerate the production of Model 3 vehicles. SpaceX, redefining aerospace exploration. SpaceX, another brainchild of Elon Musk, has captivated the world with its groundbreaking achievements in space exploration. Musk's mission is to revolutionize the cost of interstellar transportation and pave the way for the ultimate goal of colonizing Mars. With the ingenious Falcon 9 and Falcon 1 rockets, SpaceX has shattered the limits of possibility. These marvels of engineering, known as SpaceX rockets, are not only remarkable in their performance, but also designed to be reusable. This groundbreaking approach slashes the astronomical costs associated with building new rockets from scratch, making space exploration more economically viable and sustainable. SpaceX has already achieved an impressive track record, successfully completing 6 inspiring missions. These missions have included the crucial task of delivering vital cargo to the prestigious International Space Station, ISS, supporting the continuous research and operations conducted by astronauts on board. The ability to transport supplies and equipment to the ISS plays a vital role in advancing scientific discoveries and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. Furthermore, SpaceX has secured a stellar contract with NASA, solidifying their role as a trusted partner in crewed space missions. This contract ensures the safe transport of NASA astronauts to and from space, reinforcing SpaceX's commitment to enabling human space exploration. While the journey towards innovation is not without its challenges, SpaceX has demonstrated unwavering determination and resilience. They faced a momentary setback with the Falcon 9 explosion, but rather than being deterred, SpaceX fearlessly suspended their spacebound ventures. They embarked on a journey to redefine and redesign, leaving no star unturned in their quest for perfection. Hyperloop, a transportation revolution in the making. Imagine zipping from Los Angeles to San Francisco in just half an hour, leaving airplanes in the dust. This audacious transportation project, known as Hyperloop, aims to revolutionize travel with blazing speeds of up to a mind-boggling 800 miles per hour. How does it work? Picture a sleek rail system encased in a tube, where air pressure and drag are tamed to achieve unprecedented speeds. While still confined to blueprints and theoretical concepts, Hyperloop is dead serious about making this mind-bending concept a reality. Despite challenges posed by technology and land expenses, the team behind this visionary project is relentlessly striving to overcome hurdles and turn this transportation revolution into a tangible reality. The first test run is scheduled for 2023, where a 5-mile stretch in Key Valley, California, will witness the jaw-dropping capabilities of this high-speed marvel. Neuralink, bridging the gap between human intelligence and artificial brilliance. Elon Musk envisions a future where human intelligence and artificial brilliance fuse together seamlessly. Neuralink, Musk's ambitious project, aims to create a direct connection between our precious gray matter and cutting-edge computer power. The potential applications are mind-boggling, ranging from treating neurological conditions to restoring vision in the blind and bringing back full-body function for those with spinal cord injuries. Neuralink, the brainchild of Elon Musk, holds the promise of unlocking hidden potential and revolutionizing the way we perceive and interact with the world around us. With the potential to unleash cognitive superpowers like never before, Neuralink represents a remarkable leap forward in the realm of neuroscience and brain-computer interfaces. This mind-bending innovation is not merely a distant concept, lost in the haze of the future. Musk and his team have already made impressive strides in their pursuit of enhancing human capabilities. In a groundbreaking experiment, they successfully implanted a chip in a pig's brain, showcasing the feasibility of their vision and bringing the once fantastical concept into the realm of reality. The implantation of a neural chip in a pig's brain is a significant milestone, demonstrating the ability to establish a direct interface between the brain and external devices. By seamlessly connecting the brain with advanced technology, Neuralink opens up a world of possibilities for augmenting cognitive abilities, treating neurological conditions, and enhancing human potential. Embracing the future with Elon Musk. Elon Musk's technological ventures have captured our imaginations and redefined what we thought was achievable. From electric cars to space exploration, from futuristic transportation systems to brain-computer interfaces, Musk's impact on various industries is nothing short of extraordinary. With each new project, he challenges the status quo and dares us to dream bigger. Elon Musk's relentless pursuit of innovation and his willingness to challenge the boundaries of what is possible have transformed him into a modern-day visionary. Thank you for joining us on this electrifying journey through Elon Musk's newest ideas. Stay tuned for more exciting content on science, technology, and innovation. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us for the latest updates. The future is just beginning, and together we can push the boundaries of what's possible. Keep dreaming big.